Okay, today I'm gonna let you know how you can build a normal chatbot that is not much coded and it's really simple to implement. Like there are tons of videos, but there are on YouTube, I mean, but they are use so much of machine learning and deep learning stuff. And what I'm gonna tell you the way is no, there is no machine learning and all. You just have to write 3 or 4 lines of code apart from the like. Intents or like question answer what should bots respond, and apart from that there are only 4 or 5 lines of code. So I'm gonna use chatterbot library, so you can just easily install chatterbot. See, I've already installed it, and apart from this you also have to pip install chatterbot corpus. We are not using corpus, but still we have to install it. I don't know why, but yeah, we have to install it. Corpus is like a bag of sentence where there are questions and answers between two people or multiple people. So let me just take you the documents of chatterbot. So it's really easy. You can just go to their docs. It probably come on the upper link or the second most link. So see, it's really they have explained very well, like flow diagram and all. So let me just show you what I'm just gonna build. So suppose I'm writing hey, bot will write hello, how are you, when are you. So we are, so it's you can say I have made a restaurant bot which is trained on only this much of data. So you can see it's so less, I mean for a bot it's very less data for a chatbot, and it's replying very well. So let's get started. So we'll just like from chatterbot import. Then the same line, but we have to like chatterbot dot trai trainers. Like we have to train our chatbot, so we are just calling trainer. Yeah, and we'll just initiate a chatbot equals to chatbot. I don't know why we have to write wrong objects, but yeah, it was in their document, so we have to follow that guideline. So yeah, trainer equals to list tri. Okay, here we have created a chatbot, and here we have told the trainer we will train this chatbot. And okay, let's write some question and answer. Data is equals to, I like, suppose I have written here, then bot will reply hello. Oh sorry. And suppose I have written how are you, then the bot should reply I'm fine. Okay, yeah, it's really hot here. I'm fine. Okay, okay, now we just have to say list, sorry, trainer dot tra. Okay, this is like a type of conversation between two people, and the bot will pick. Suppose you have written hi, then the bot will reply hello. And suppose you have written hello, the bot will reply how are you. And suppose you have written uh, how are you, then the bot will reply I am fine. So suppose you can say like it's like question and then answer, then question then answer. So you have to follow this type of guidelines. Yeah, but there is also a good way where you can train it in a very good way. I'll just let you know. Okay. Okay, see, so it's ready, we just have to train it. But before that, like uh, uh, shut down. Yeah, so suppose in the previous example I have shown you that this creates two files, like a database SQLite file and a sentence tokenizer pickle file. So you have to delete it because previously it has made the file and it will just merge both of them, the new file that I am going to train. So yeah, it's better to delete every time you are training your data. And now just train it. Okay, sorry, trainers, it should be trainers. Okay, it's training. Okay, it's that it has been trained. Okay, let's just check it. Chatbot dot get response. We'll just write hey. It has written hello. See what I have told you, like hey, hello, and I will write how are you. How are okay, text ambient. So you can just get this much of text also. You just have to like convert into string. Okay, you are getting I am fine also. Okay, now like we can okay, like if you want to train your data like this, so let me just copy all the thing that I have written, my intents that have already been written. I'll just tell you, just wait a minute, because I just can't write 15 minutes of this data. Okay, see here what I have done, like in greeting I said hi, hello, how are you, good, what's up, hey Biru, see you later, goodbye, I'm leaving. Oh sorry, I have included goodbyes also in greeting. So this you can say this is like a intent greetings, and this is are the questions and answer. When I'm asking about age, this is the age intent. I'm like, how old are you? Hey, I am 18 years old. How old is you? So what is your age? So it's all about asking age, and it's about asking name. What is your name? So I'll say you can, bot will say you can call me Sayyed. Okay. Then I'll ask like what should I call? So he'll tell, okay, I'm Sayyed. What's your name? So I'll say I'm Said Osama. So it's about menu. So I'll just okay, this is the data. You can just copy it. It's about menu, it's about time, like at what time you are opening. So I'll just train the data one by one. Like first we'll train greetings. So we haven't included like in the all this question answer in the same, because like uh, if it if I am saying hello or something, so it should come in the this train data, and it should reply in between these datas only. So it will won't get confused and all. So I'll just, and this is age name menu, and we'll just copy, control C V, and we'll see age, and we'll say name, and we'll say menu, and we'll say time. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's just shut down because we are starting it again. And one thing what I have told you, like every time you have to delete this, like otherwise it will mix up. Yeah, now just running. Okay, it's running. It usually takes like 1 minute, not more than that. Sorry, I haven't started the kernel. My fault, sorry. Yeah, you can just go around on this documents really Rian explained really well. See, train. That's really cool of that. Okay, it's been trained, you can see. Okay, one thing I want to tell you, like you have to install NLTK also, but uh, installing NLTK is like a different task. If you don't know, I think they use NLTK as it is written NLTK data, NLTK stop word. So if they are asking for a nickel tape, then installing it is just another thing. Try it, maybe it doesn't ask you to install NLTK, or it itself installing NLTK and all that stuff. Okay, so now here, as we have already done in the, so here we write while, so we want to uh, let the chatting goes on. So we like user equals to, we'll take input from the user. U means user, and we'll just pass u to the, sorry, user, like user. Okay, so user will enter hi or whatever in, it will come into user variable, and we'll just get the response with that variable as input. Okay, let's just run it. Sorry, yeah, I like, hey, I said hello, like, what is your age? 18 years I am. So I like, what time are you open? What time are you open? So it'll say we are open 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and we'll say what's in the menu. Cookies are on the menu. So it's a basic chatbot trained on this much of data only. You can use it to train on uh, a big corpus of data, then it will really perform well. I can guarantee you, if you give a good amount of data. So yeah, that's it of now. Like suppose you have train and now you want to just use it, so you can just run it and just like get response and those stuff. You know what, how to use it. Okay, that's from my side. Thanks.